the 5 best investing apps for 2023, US and international. Micro and robo-investing is on the rise, with more and more people looking to apps to help them invest and get their personal finance game to the next level. I looked at tons of apps and chose the best ones for you. If you're looking for the best investing apps to help you in 2023, this list is for you. I've compiled a list of the 5 best apps based on factors like investment options, fees, customer service, and more. Without further ado, here they are. In the investing world, there are a lot of options for where to put your money, but Acorns is an app that is quickly gaining popularity due to its simple, straightforward approach to investment. Acorns is an investing app that allows users to grow their money through automatic investments into a portfolio of over 7,000 stocks and ETFs. The app is designed for people who want to invest but don't have a lot of money or time to dedicate to it. With Acorns, you can start investing with as little as $5, and the app will do the rest. Once you download the app and create an account, you'll link your bank account so that Acorns can track your spending. The app uses this information to automatically invest your spare change into a diversified portfolio of stocks and ETFs. For example, let's say you spend $3.50 on coffee every day. Acorns will round up your purchase to $4 and invest the extra 50 cents into your portfolio. Over time, these small investments will add up, and you'll begin to see real growth in your account balance. Acorns also offers a few other features that make it easy to grow your money. For example, you can set up recurring deposits so that a fixed amount of money is invested each week or month. You can also sign up for Acorns Later, which is a retirement savings account with special tax benefits. There are a few reasons why Acorns is a good investment for both beginners and experienced investors alike. First, the app makes it easy to start investing with very little money. This is ideal for people who may be hesitant to invest because they don't have a lot of spare cash on hand. Additionally, Acorns offers a hands-off approach to investing that's perfect for busy people or those who don't want to spend a lot of time managing their investments. The app will automatically reinvest your spare change and make sure your portfolio is diversified. All you need to do is sit back and watch your money grow. Like any investment, there are some risks associated with using Acorns. First, the stock market is always fluctuating, which means the value of your investments can go up or down at any time. Additionally, Acorns doesn't offer any guarantees, so it's important to remember that you could lose your money as well as make money through the app. That being said, Acorns is a fairly low-risk investment overall. The app diversifies your portfolio across thousands of different stocks and ETFs, which helps to mitigate some of the risk. And because you're investing small amounts of money regularly, you're more likely to see steady growth over time, rather than large swings in your account balance. If you're looking for a simple, hands-off way to grow your money, Acorns is a great option. The app is perfect for beginners who want to start investing with very little money, and it's also a good choice for busy people who don't have a lot of time to dedicate to managing their investments. However, it's important to remember that all investments come with some risk, so be sure to only invest what you can afford to lose. Webull is one of the hottest investing apps on the market today, and for good reason. With no commissions or account fees, it's easy to see why so many people are flocking to this platform. And with a plethora of features and tools available, there's something here for everyone, from beginners to experienced investors. Let's take a look at some of the best things about Webull. The first thing you'll notice about Webull is its sleek design and user-friendly interface. The app is very intuitive and easy to navigate, making it ideal for those who are new to investing. Even if you have no prior experience with stocks or trading platforms, you should be able to get up and running quickly with Webull. One of the coolest things about this app is that it offers real-time data without any delays, unlike some other investment platforms out there. This means that you can make informed decisions based on current market conditions instead of relying on outdated information. You also have access to pre-market and after-hours trading sessions so that you can capitalize on breaking news events as they happen. Webull also offers a huge range of features and tools to help you research stocks, track your portfolios, and place trades. For example, the built-in stock screener is extremely useful for finding potential investment ideas. And if you want to stay up to date with all the latest market news, Webull's live news feed has you covered. What really sets this app apart from its competitors, though, is the level of customer support on offer. If you ever have any questions or need assistance with anything, there's always someone available to help out, whether that's through live chat or email support. This is something that can be very useful when starting out as an investor. Overall, Webull provides an excellent all-around experience and is highly recommended. Robinhood is a commission-free investing app that allows you to trade stocks, ETFs, and options. It was founded in 2013 by Vladimir Tenev and Baju Bhatt, who were two Stanford graduates. The company is headquartered in California. Robinhood has been incredibly popular with young investors because it offers a very user-friendly interface and mobile app experience. And best of all, it's free! You don't have to pay any commissions when you buy or sell stocks on Robinhood, like you do with other traditional brokerages. One of the unique features of Robinhood is that you can trade fractional shares, which means you can invest as little or as much money as you want. For example, if a stock is trading for $100 and you only have $10 to invest, you could purchase 1/10 or 0.1 of a share. Robinhood also offers an optional Gold subscription service for $5 a month that gives users access to additional features such as extended hours trading and margin loans, borrowing money from Robinhood to buy more securities. Overall, Robinhood is a great option for beginner investors who are looking to get started in investing without having to pay any commissions on their trades. Stash is another investing app that allows users to start investing with as little as $5. The app offers a variety of investment options, including traditional stocks and ETFs, as well as more unique options like investing in companies that are committed to social good. Stash also offers educational resources to help users learn about investing. Once you sign up for a Stash account, you'll need to link a bank account so that you can fund your investment portfolio. You can choose to invest your money in a pre-made portfolio, or you can hand-pick the individual investments that you want to make. Once you've decided how you want to invest your money, the Stash app will manage your investments and provide regular updates on how your portfolio is performing. You can also choose to receive notifications if the markets are volatile or if there are any major changes in your investment performance. The great thing about Stash is that it makes investing affordable and accessible for everyone. Whether you're a first-time investor or a seasoned pro, the app has something to offer. Additionally, the educational resources that Stash provides can help you learn about investing and make informed decisions about where to put your money. Trading 212 is an online broker and investment platform that allows its users to trade a wide range of assets, including stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and more. The company is based in the United Kingdom and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, which is great for all you European investors out there. Trading 212 offers two account types, a live account and a demo account. The live account requires a minimum deposit of $100, while the demo account is free and unlimited. Trading 212 also has a mobile app for both iOS and Android devices. When you open a live account with Trading 212, you will be able to choose between two platforms, the web platform or the mobile app. The web platform is designed for desktop and laptop computers, while the mobile app is designed for smartphones and tablets. Both platforms offer the same features and functionality. The web platform has a clean and user-friendly interface. You can easily view your portfolio, find the asset you want to trade, place orders, and track your open positions and pending orders. The platform also includes charts and technical analysis tools. The mobile app has all the same features as the web platform, but is designed for smaller screens. The app is easy to use and navigate. You can quickly check your portfolio, find assets to trade, place orders, and track your open positions and pending orders. When you place an order on Trading 212, you can choose between a market order and a limit order. A market order will execute immediately at the best available price. A limit order will only execute at the specified price or better. The great thing about Trading 212 is that there are no commissions or fees on trades. except for cryptocurrency trades, which are subject to a 0.5% fee. This means that you keep 100% of your profits. If you're looking for an online broker and investment platform with a wide range of assets, low fees, and a user-friendly interface, Trading 212 is a great choice. While there are many investing apps available, these 5 are the best for 2023. They offer a variety of features and options, making them perfect for investors of all levels of experience. Whether you're looking to invest in stocks, bonds, or other securities, these apps will help you get the most out of your money. Additionally, they are all available for both US and international users, so no matter where you are in the world, you can start investing today. What are your thoughts on this list? Are there any other investing apps that you recommend? Tell me in the comments section below. Additionally, if you're new to this channel, I strongly encourage you to subscribe and click the like button. You can also keep up with all of my most recent videos. See you in the next one.